What's up, boys? First YouTube video on this channel here. I'm gonna be trading MNQ today. Yeah, definitely bearish on the day. We're dumping hella. I don't know if you're thinking longs in here. I don't know what you think. So, and we're about to inverse this as well. I want to get a closure below that to confirm, and then probably the next target will honestly be all the way down here. If we go on the lower time frame and see if there's any low, like other targets possible, but 300, yeah, that's unlikely, to be honest. That is unlikely that we're going to dump 300 points today. So with hard drawing liquidities, what I go usually down to is a lower time frame and just try to find some points along here. So I mean, some low resistance liquidity could be this, oops, this, and then this. I honestly might just enter short here. We close below this. We got the closure. Are we gonna get the retrace? No, we are not. Okay, can't be rushing into a trade though. These points are pretty random, not gonna lie, and the drawn liquidity is not that strong, but the displacement and just overall trend of the market is extremely bullish. Okay, got the retracement. Why did it say 300 before? Okay, it's not that bad. It's 117 actually. This is probably a big trade usually. For me, I would say around 90 points, less even. Is my average? Oh, this is what I was looking at. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but definitely not trading down until there. We could just simply do the third one, and we'll see. All these, they all still liquidity, right? So I have 10 orders ready. My trade would probably look something like this. Would want to get a good amount of displacement. If this is the last point and it doesn't come back. This would be crazy RR work, bro. I don't like having this too much on the screen though. It kind of messes me up with my trade, and we're getting strong displacement, and I'm in. Just like that. We got the we retraced, got the confirmation, and now we're back at it. 655, perfect amount I would like to risk. The max the max profit target on an eval is 1500, so, and I'm not gonna move it. A big problem for me is as it as it keeps going on the direction that I want it to go, I keep adding on more size, meaning my stop loss gets like I would be at a bigger loss, so I keep trailing my stop loss, getting stopped out, and then running to TP. If my stop loss weren't to move, I would have stayed in the trade, you know. So that's been a big part. That's been a big challenge for me. Yeah. So just gonna let this run. Yeah. I'm not really liking this last point. Here should be fine. Okay. Wow. I know you might be asking why is it not at this point exactly? Well, it's because you can't, like, the rules of Top Step is you can't get over $1,500 in one day on any valve. So we respected that. Nice, simple, clean. When I would go break even, probably if we, because right now we could get a retrace and come back into it, you know. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it. Um, that's the big thing about being in a trade too. You just leave it, you know, forget about it. And this is beautiful, man. This is what I want to see. Beautiful. Took out the first point. Let's see how we react off this. Now this is important. Reacting off a draw on liquidity. If we instantly okay. I think we're gonna keep going lower. I don't think this is where we retrace. Pretty certain. I mean, we just retrace or like this could be where we retrace. But I'm saying it's just not gonna completely flip the direction and keep going up from here. So my model, it consists of I don't really like calling it SM what is it, SIT. I'm getting SMT mixed up with CIT, right? CIT, ICT, ICT. Well, I haven't said that term in so long, I completely forgot about it. Yeah, I don't really like. I guess I do use confluences for my CT. Um, but I keep it simple. I don't use a lot of things. I don't use a bunch of different PD arrays and things like that. I like fair value gaps. I'm trying to learn more. Too. I'm trying to learn from this guy. Um, his strategy. I mean, yeah. Okay, got the retracement into this gap. Let's see how we react off here. We really shouldn't be going above here. It makes sense to get a little bit of a retrace, especially since after all this, to slow down a bit, but doesn't mean it's gonna reverse. See what I mean? Now this is the point where I would probably go break even, because if we come back up, like this is a gap we're respecting right now. Let's say we inverse the gap, inverse this gap. Like it's unlikely, you know, that we're gonna keep ripping lower. So break even point is here. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Respected this. Nice. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. And I think a little Celebration shall be necessary. That was a great feeling. TP smashed. Smashed. Beautiful shorts today. 192. Could have gotten $8 more. All good, all good. And it hit that second target too. Well, boys, I feel me recording myself too, and posting these videos, I know definitely helps me stay accountable and more in check and less stupid. Like, I makes me act less stupid. So if you're having trouble with psychology or over trading or anything, just start recording. Start journaling, um, and it's definitely gonna help. So yeah, I hope this video helped y'all. Um, with technicals and psychology, maybe I know there wasn't too much psychology in this video, but biggest thing for me, my psychological thing, is getting greedy and adding on size the second I see it pumps a little bit in my direction. This time I left it, went to break even where I should have been, um, and yeah, happy with myself. So it's a good feeling following your system, following your rules, and yeah, man, the day's off. The day has started off to a great start. Um, yeah, it's only 6:40 for me too, so pretty early. Now I'll have the rest of the day to chill. Imagine if this is your everyday. Wake up less than 30 minutes. I don't even know less than 15 minutes. My bad. Make $1,500, and this is on one account times five. It's 550Ks, and that's just with Top Step. The possibilities are infinite. Um, yeah, looking forward to it. On to the next day. Let's have a good day. See you guys.